finish this earring. Twist. And tight. Go slow. Yeah. This one. And twist. Here. Wrap it. Cut. Cut. Okay. So here is the earring that we made. Then the middle I will hang on something. Hang on something at the middle. Let me see if I can get a nice bead. Here we have a big shape of this amethyst stone. Let's see if the sides work. Yeah, this big one put at the middle. The size is good. And let's go into hang on here. Yeah, so this is a big size, this shape. Okay, this one here. We can wrap it. Here. I go to fold it. Here. Tight. Okay, I put it a cross shape because the earring here, if we make it a cross shape, it will be better nice. Here. Hang on. We make it like a cup. Okay. Here. Go through. Okay. Then I'm going to make a hook. Yeah. Go to make a hook by the copper wire 1 millimeter. It's a loop that we made. Then we'll go to fold it on the plier here. Will you upload this video? Yes. On YTB, it will be have a replay. It's cut. This we make the hook, and if I'm afraid that this part is easy to be broken, I am going to hammer it. So hammer here under my desk. So it's hammer. After hammer, the earring is not easy out of shape on the hammer part. It's stronger. Okay. Yes. And here, this one. So the top is go become round, and then we'll go here, open. So it's a earring. Finish this way. It's a amethyst earring we done with the teardrop with the 2 small beads. This is the 2 millimeter amethyst. This is the 6 millimeter, and this is the how big? Let me measure. 15. It's 15 millimeter. Okay, this, yeah. So we're done. Then let's see where it on the model. Okay, a Bohemian style. If someone you like the design in this way, you can try. It's really nice and not so much hard to make, but just take the time. It's just take the time.